Hey there, Fox 6 meteorologist Wes Wyatt in the Storm Warning Center. Welcome to meteorological summer. June 1st has finally arrived, one of my favorite times of the year. We have our daily dose of thunderstorms. In fact, what I want to do here is head over to the controls and show you what's going on. You can see we've got more development happening there around the Birmingham area. Quite a bit of lightning now, very close to Gardendale and Fultondale. Just north of downtown Birmingham, a storm has popped up. A lot of this today is also moving to the northwest direction. You'll see the general track here, so just a heads up, a lot of this rain that we're seeing to the south and east of us is moving our way. So we're not totally out of the woods. If you have not picked up a drop of rain today, there's still a pretty good chance you're going to get a little bit of wet weather, as this flow pattern really continues through the evening hours. After sunset, we'll probably hang on to some of these showers and storms through about 10, 11 o'clock tonight. So one of those, another night where we're going to have the chance of rain lingering late into the evening hours. But some of the most intense lightning we have at the moment is out here right over Gardendale. And again, this is moving to the northwest. So this will be tracking towards Warrior and Corner and places like that. If you're watching us around Empire, this is moving your way. That's right over Fieldstown Road, and there was a bit of lightning with this little cell here. This is right over the Million Dollar Lakes area. It's in Brookwood. It's going to be moving across Highway 216 and probably tracking out here across Watermelon Road and North River Yacht Club. And if you have any friends or family out here on Lake Tuscaloosa, that storm will be very close to Lake Tuscaloosa here within the next 30 minutes or so. And then we're also looking at some storms, again, looks like around right over the National Weather Service office. A little thunderstorm has popped up there, but all of this moving to the northwest. So the chance of rain lingers through late tonight. You'll notice right there, even through 11 o'clock, we're hanging on to the chance of showers. Another very tropical night out there, feeling very humid with those lows right there around 65 in some of the cooler locations. Now, for our Monday, we're looking at a high near, went with 83 degrees, but depending on how fast some neighborhoods get the wet weather, that could impact the high temperature. You'll notice by 4 o'clock, though, we're talking about more scattered thunderstorms. I think for Monday and even in Tuesday, the chance for a thunderstorm remains elevated. Now, we're not talking about all-day washouts, kind of like today. Notice for our Monday, we'll start it off. We're dry through 7:30 in the morning. We'll get a little bit of sunshine, some warm temperatures, and then by 1 o'clock, we get some development. That's going to be the big challenge, just how much rain do we see. I think tomorrow, again, another elevated coverage. A lot of areas getting a passing downpour, and we do it all again on Tuesday. But the chance for rain looks to start falling off with some hotter weather by midweek. We're going to talk about that coming up tonight at 9 o'clock. And also something we're going to be talking about, the arrival of the 2014 Atlantic hurricane season. It is here, and we will be watching the tropics closely in the weeks ahead. The first name on the list is Arthur, and we'll be waiting to see if Arthur may be trying to get its act together or develop. We're already seeing an area of low pressure down across the southern Gulf of Mexico. You can see the rotation right there. We'll have to watch this area very closely. This is a common breeding ground for tropical systems early in the seasons. And yesterday, in fact, one of our primary long-range models showed a little area of low pressure tracking towards Florida and developing out of that. So we'll talk more about that coming up tonight as we talk about the arrival of hurricane season. Any questions about the forecast, invite your friends to find me on Facebook. You can find me at Wes Wyatt, Fox 6. Again, Fox 6 News begins at 9 o'clock tonight. Be sure to join us.